Okay, working on fixing up this old radio record player. Looks like it's a Sylvania. I already took the knobs off to clean them. Probably do some sort of refinishing on the top. It's mostly a lot of tubes in there. I've already cleaned out the bottom quite a bit. And there's the model number. Here's the tube chart. Got some additional information. I think some of the adjustments maybe looks like a speaker diagram. Speakers look okay. Okay, I pulled the radio section out. I did power it up, and it did make noise in both speakers. Most of the controls appeared to work, but they were very dirty, scratchy noise. And then the mode selector switch doesn't want to turn, and I didn't want to force it, so I'm going to try to clean that up and clean all the potentiometers, get the scratchy sound out of them, hopefully. Okay, got the cover off. Here's the inside. And here's the mode selector switch. Doesn't seem to want to turn. I didn't want to force it. I'm guessing maybe the grease just kind of dried up and maybe some corrosion on the shaft. I'm just going to spray some got some contact cleaner lubricant that is made for moving contacts. Just going to start with this moving contact lubricant, so I'll probably get all the contacts and then just temporarily kind of loosen up this grease with this same spray, and then once it moves freely I'll probably put some new grease on it. It's the back of the switch. See it like partially moving there. So I'll spray that surface, because I'm sure the contacts need a little cleaning anyway. And there's probably another contact in between the layers, so I'll get all those sprayed. I'm going to clean these potentiometers too. This particular one has a dual shaft, so this outer shaft. So I find on cleaning these, it's usually best to, you get access through these little holes on the side. So I spray it in there while rotating the control back and forth a bunch of times. And generally I found it doesn't take much spray, but it probably doesn't hurt much to spray a little extra and wash off any dirt. And this one also has a connection on the other side, so I'm going to spray on both sides. And these other two, looks like they're a dual stack, and then there's probably a switch here. I think this is a push-pull. Yeah, a push-pull switch. Probably won't be able to clean those contacts, but they seem to be okay. This one here, 2 pots, and then another switch. Probably a push-pull switch again. Okay, after cleaning everything, almost everything seems to work. That little light there's for stereo reception. It looks like it's on a little more than it should be, because it'll be showing stereo when there's no station being picked up.
Another day. Leave brave and
Probably can't stay on a station for copyright reasons. So if I also notice that that speaker there, which would be the left one if you're in front of it, is mostly not working, but it'll cut in and sometimes work. Sounds a little almost like only the subwoofer is working.